So I think there's been a couple of hurdles that have impacted both the public sector as well as the commercial space in terms of adopting cloud computing. One of them is just understanding the consumption model of cloud computing and how that might change, the procurement aspects within the organization that wants to adopt it. Whether it's a private cloud solution or a public cloud offering that you can be taking advantage of. So that's the first thing. The second is that really impacts the operational aspects of running an IT organization, right? So whether it's in the commercial space or in the public sector, IT has to get their head around doing things a different way with cloud, right? You have a whole new set of capabilities. You have automatic provisioning and self-service and elasticity. You really can approach more of a DevOps type of situation in terms of running IT itself, and so that can imply some change, some organizational change, some process change, methodology change, to really allow you to take advantage of that and be most effective. Security is clearly a big issue for a lot of organizations, either in the government or in the commercial space. Security is something that comes into play when you're handling data that's very confidential, or in the healthcare space, data privacy concerns are very important. So you need to understand the security implications of your cloud architecture and make sure that it's built on technologies that allow it to be secure, that have a multi-tenant aspect of them, that has a very controlled security aspect, so that you can run applications in this cloud environment, but know that those applications are constrained. No one's going to be able to get into them or out of them unless they're supposed to be able to. So leveraging the core technologies that make the cloud up, that have the security capabilities built into them, such as Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux has the security enhanced Linux feature built into it, and you can leverage that security feature to build a cloud solution, which then embodies that security and makes it safe, for your end users to use. We're seeing a couple of key trends. One is that initially people move to the cloud or want to adopt cloud for the economics, right? For the consolidation aspects, and that's really largely a solved problem today. Where I think we're moving beyond that. What we're seeing in terms of trends is people are realizing that cloud can not only just save them money in terms of efficiencies, but also can really drive innovation. So when you begin to layer an application platform on top of an infrastructure cloud, then you can really drive application development innovation and allow the IT organization to build applications that can really serve the needs of the users much more effectively, right? And be much more quick with the deployment of these applications, right? So you're really accelerating IT service delivery capabilities by building on a platform as a service cloud, which leverages an infrastructure as a service cloud underneath. So cloud is really moving into the space of being able to solve real IT problems by giving them the speed and efficiency to really drive innovation in terms of the applications that they need to deliver, and those applications then service the end users.